Hi, is this seat free?
Yes, it is. Please sit down.
Thank you. My name is Leo.
Nice to meet you, Leo. I'm Mia.
Nice to meet you too, Mia.
Are you new here?
Yes, I am. I moved here last week.
That's great. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. What about you?
I'm from Australia.
Australia sounds amazing.
Thank you. Do you like this city?
Yes, I do. The people are very friendly.
I'm happy to hear that.
What do you like to do in your free time?
One enjoy reading books and taking photos.
That's interesting. I like music and travel.
Really? I love traveling too.
Maybe we can explore the city together sometime.
Sure. That sounds fun.
I'm glad we met today.
Me too. It's always nice to make a new friend.
Have a wonderful day, Mia.
You too, Leo. See you soon.
Mini story. Leo was looking for a place to sit when he met Mia. He asked if the seat was free, and Mia welcomed him. They introduced themselves and talked about where they were from. Leo came from Canada, and Mia came from Australia. They shared their hobbies and discovered that they both enjoyed traveling. By the end of the conversation, they felt comfortable and happy. Leo and Mia became new friends and planned to meet again. Making a new friend can start with a simple conversation. Practice time. Repeat after me. Hi, is this seat free? My name is Leo. Nice to meet you. Are you new here? Where are you from? I like music and travel. I enjoy reading books. Maybe we can explore the city together. It's always nice to make a new friend. See you soon. Repeat after me. Hi, is this seat free? My name is Leo. Nice to meet you. Are you new here? Where are you from? I like music and travel. I enjoy reading books. Maybe we can explore the city together. It's always nice to make a new friend. See you soon.